guys. Now, I'm gonna do a flip. And
Okay,
hopefully
hello.
She's playing dress up.
No, I'm not.
Yes, she is. Yes, she is.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you
You're invited to the secret meeting too.
Okay. Okay, I'm going to
Why
do
did
a
you
flip.
tell us about that?
I'm gonna do a flip.
Okay, I have to beat it on the ground now.
No, keep it on me no matter what.
No, I can't do
We're not doing
it.
This here, keep it on me. Okay, so this is what it's gonna be like. Except this isn't the real flip. So keep it on me. Okay, so did you do that? Did you see all of me when I did that?
Mm-mm.
Okay.
I only saw part of you when you did that.
Okay.
When you did stop.
Once I hit the ground, from when I jump to when I hit the ground to when I flip. Okay? So like that. Ready?
Okay,
Set.
go.
Now. So keep it on.
Ready, set, go.
Did it?
I bet I
No, I didn't.
I think I did.
My back hit the ground.
Try it one more time just to be sure.
Now keep it on me. Now read and watch. It has to be only on me.
That condenser broke down.